Hey guys, welcome to yousitrades, and today's topic is about XRP. Um, I'm new to the channel, so welcome guys. You're also new, and we'll be talking about XRP and its future, and why the SEC is suing them. Are they going to win? What are the odds? We will also be exploring the chart specifically. So first of all, what is XRP? So XRP is a digital currency that is used to facilitate transactions on the Ripple network. So it was also created for banks, payment networks as a means of payment settlement, money transfer system, and a currency exchange for all the new people out there. That's what XRP does and cater to. And XRP's investors are, so you've got their biggest investors will be Banco Santander. I've got a card with them, so these are really big major banks in the UK. Also, JP Morgan, the Bank of America. So one of the most notable strategic agreements was signed in June 2019, and MoneyGram too. XRP has partnership with Mercury FX, IDT. If you haven't heard of them, we also said MoneyGram, and then Catalyst Corporate, Federal Credit, and so forth. So we've clarified their big investors. So, anyways, personally, should I invest into XRP? That's a lot of people's questions at the moment. I'm I'm an investor. I have some XRP holdings. Personally, I have invested into XRP because I found it being the worth the dip at the moment. We'll take a look at the reason in a few minutes. Look, I'm not saying it's not worth much, but XRP has a massive potential. And yes, I am a holder, but it's the best time to get in whilst the SEC undergoes through investigation and court dates with XRP. So, what is trading without taking a risk, you know? And for the new traders in the market, who are the SEC? So, currently, XRP is undergoing a court, problem. That's how I would say it. The Securities and Exchange Commission, who are the SEC, is a US government agency that are responsible for, regulating the securities markets and protecting investors on a whole. And what what they normally do is they protect us. What they try to, and I think so. And the SEC alleges, Ripple legally sold XRP as an unregistered security upon its launch. So it does maintain that, the digital asset is a security to this day. So the SEC thinks, or they know, that Ripple is a security. However, this fundamental news has lost Ripple billions of dollars in the US market. So if you can see on the chart, this is when XRP was high, following the SEC news in December, and then you can see it through the 23rd of December. All of that, this, this small. It's, it's not really small, but it's rather large when it comes to billions of dollars in the market cap. So yes, it has lost it Ripple quite a lot of money. And however, the SEC on last Tuesday announced that Mark P. Berger, who is actually the director of the SEC's Division of Enforcement, is stepping down. This guy helped lead like high-profile lawsuits against crypto firms, including Ripple and and Telegram. Uh, it's not a surprise, really. So the SEC is suing for about 1.3 billion. So that's the lawsuit against Ripple Labs. Don't forget that it is not near Ripple's market cap, as you can see in the previous tab. So it's not really near it. So we have a look here at the top. It says really on the 5th, 1.3 billion is not really near. It's the current supply at the moment, but we are on at the moment 13 billion for XRP. And what they're doing is, don't forget, it's just not near. The SEC alleges that Ripple paid companies to use XRP and therefore propped up the price, and that's also another reason why they are suing. Mark P. Berg, if you haven't noticed, he is the SEC's division enforcer and is the director, but at the moment he isn't anymore, so he's departed this month. Since Biden has now become the US president, he's yet to name the new SEC chairman. It's said to be that, things are a flux at the SEC as federal government transitions from a Trump presidency to a Biden administration on January 2020. President-elect is expected to name the former trading commissioner chair to fill the role of SEC chair, but we don't know when that will come to an effect. Besides this, the director of Ripple, who's acting director of SEC, has also taken actions against Robinhood, New York Stock Exchange, JP Morgan Securities, Deutsche Bank, AG, Telegram, like I said in the start, General Electric, Hertz, and so on. So we know that the 1.3 billion of sales of unregistered is unregistered and is a security threat that is being filed against Ripple. So Ripple's market is not fearing for this because of its long-term investors losing trust in them and their years of national exposure. So they are getting humiliated in the cryptocurrency market. But who's to say they're not going to win, or will they? Will they win? Because that will be a different story. So does Ripple have a chance in the crypto world? But however, in the recent news we've heard lately is that Ripple has 21 lawyers who are gearing up to the fight. The US securities, they are fighting the SEC. They're trying, but they also have two of his executives. So they've got two executives at the moment, and now they are ex-executives, and they're teaming up with Ripple in a massive legal battle. So Ripple has two former officials from the US Securities and Exchange Commission to represent them in the class action lawsuit. So in order to defend that the company is not security, this Mary Jo White, director, she's a former SEC chair. She used to work in the SEC as, one of the, SEC commissioners. And what she is doing is she's going to represent Ripple in the class action lawsuit. In order to defend that the company is not security, she'll be attempting to disclaim that Ripple isn't a security. Not hard to know. But look, who's to say that Ripple won't win or will win? Won't win or will win, Ripple is still 5th place in the cryptocurrency market. Shouldn't that say much about it? Many people are holding Ripple until the court comes to a verdict. If Ripple wins, some people will retire, since many are taking a massive bet on it, whilst the many more will buy it from the dip and relax till the charts say no more. So am I to say that Ripple won't go higher? I have some Ripple, but I tend to take adequate risk when trading crypto, of course with carefully calculated trades. So I do have some Ripple at the moment because dip it looks rather exciting to get in. Why not? So I made this chart not a while ago, and at the moment we can see Ripple at 0.29, and it's not a bad entry to get in. At the moment we did see a bullish run just a couple of days ago on the 10th of January. Seems like everyone wanted to get in and believed. That was probably when the 20 lawyers news from Ripple came into to the internet, and everyone heard of this, thought, yes, there's a chance to win, there's a chance for Ripple to win, but we don't know yet. However, when I looked into my analysis, I do believe that Ripple will stay in the crypto market. I mean, there's so many investors and there's so many people believing in, Ripple. And what makes you think that 13 billion, dollars will disappear? There's so many more people investing. There's so many more people holding, and this SEC can't really do much about it. So, looking at now the analysis. So, if you were to enter from this entrance, um, your I'd say your return is going to be 169%, and that will mean you need 22 more billion dollars to be pumped into Ripple. But that's only until the lawsuit has, come to a verdict. If Ripple wins, we are in a win-win situation. You've got a higher high over here. Of course, it was going down until we've got a really fair lower low consolidation at the moment. And when we do hear the news, Ripple will jump straight up. And we could probably see $2. You never know. We could probably see 3. That would only mean I have to test some of my support and resistance at the moment. So yeah, it's definitely a gamble to get in. However, what's a trader without a risk, right? And I do have an adequate amount of Ripple, and I think it will become it will become a fairly exciting ride. So just comment below, tell me what you think about Ripple. I know most people have said and claimed that it is a shit coin, but believe it or not, you might not want to say that when they do win, but that doesn't mean you can't FOMO in. Actually, don't FOMO. Always buy from the dip, and as it continues to become bullish, I guess quite a lot of traders or cryptocurrency traders will, buy once we hear the news about Ripple. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Hope to see you here more on the channel, and take care.